High in the mountains, a village slept, covered in snow, silent and serene. This was once the home of many people, bustling with life and laughter. Now, only monkeys lived among the empty houses, their presence a quiet echo of the past. The snow monkeys were a family, bound by the cold and their shared history. The eldest brother, Yamazaru, was wise, his eyes holding the wisdom of many winters. The youngest, Sarumani, full of playful energy, brought joy to the quiet village. And in the middle, Shinsaru, who often pondered the mysteries of their world. He was kind and thoughtful, always looking out for his family.
I like to explore the village, imagining the lives that once filled these empty spaces, swing from the old wooden beams of houses, feeling the history in every creak, peek into dusty windows, seeing shadows of the past. I imagine the people who once lived here, their stories woven into the fabric of the village, their laughter echoing through the empty streets, a faint whisper of what once was.
One day Shinsaru found a willow branch lying in the snow like a forgotten memory. It was smooth and strong, a symbol of resilience. He kept it, feeling it was important, though he didn't know why. Later, he discovered a small clay jar by the frozen river, half buried in the snow. It was empty but beautifully made, a relic of the past. Shinsaru filled it with fresh water and kept it safe, feeling a sense of purpose. He didn't know why, but he felt these things would be needed, as if guided by an unseen hand. A whisper in the mountain snow, telling him to be ready for what was to come. One morning, everything changed. The monkeys awoke to a strange sight. An old woman stood in the village square. Beside her, a white cockatoo perched on a gnarled staff. The old woman was Gwanom. The cockatoo, her companion, was Inko.
Greetings. We seek the snow monkeys of the mountain.
The monkeys had never heard a bird speak. They were amazed.
Do not be afraid, I am no threat. In fact, I come seeking your help.
Gwanom explained she was a wizard, powerful but in need of aid. Treasures, precious to her and the world, had been stolen. She needed to get them back. The monkeys listened intently as Gwanom spoke, her voice echoing through the snowy landscape. She told them of 4 ancient treasures, each with a unique and powerful ability. The first was the wish-fulfilling gem, a radiant stone that could grant any desire. The second was the bowl of endless bounty, which could provide an infinite supply of food. The third treasure was the mirror of truth, revealing the true nature of anyone who gazed into it. And finally, the sword of courage, a weapon that bestowed bravery upon its wielder. These precious treasures were stolen by a wicked warlord named Chi-Wu. Chi-Wu sought to harness their power for his own evil purposes, aiming to dominate the world.
I need to get to Chi-Wu's fortress, hidden deep within the treacherous mountains. The journey is fraught with danger, and I cannot do it alone. I need your help. I see something special in you snow monkeys, especially you, Shinsaru. Your innocence and deep connection to nature make you perfect for this mission. You could be my eyes and ears, moving through the forest with agility and stealth. You could move unseen where others could not, blending into the environment and gathering crucial information.
Section 4, A Tapestry of Heroes. Gwanom was not alone. She had gathered others to her cause.
Shansai, a boy with a limp, yearned for the gem's power to heal his scars. Longnu, a dragon princess in the form of a snake, wished to use it to revive her brother.
Gong, a grumpy but kind ogre, offered his strength. Sobaha, a fierce warrior woman, would train the monkeys in the art of stealth. Even Byakko, the white tiger, king of beasts, pledged his might to the quest. Each one had their reasons, their desires, but they all understood that the treasures must be recovered. The balance of the world depended on it. Section 5, The Heart of the Journey. Gwanom, the wise elder, gave each of the monkeys a special gift, a token of their unique strengths and destinies.
To Yamazaru, he gave a headband inscribed with a mantra for wisdom, a symbol of clarity and insight. To Sarumane, he presented a magical rope that shimmered with light, a tool of connection and strength. And to Shinsaru, she gave the willow branch and the jar of water he had found. When the time is right, she said, you will know what to do with them. These items hold the essence of healing and renewal.
Their journey would take them across mountains and rivers, through valleys and over peaks. They would traverse dense forests and arid deserts, facing dangers and overcoming hardships. But they would face these challenges together, united in purpose and spirit. For this was more than just a quest for lost treasures. It was a journey of self-discovery, a path to understanding the true meaning of balance, courage, and compassion. It was a journey that began with a whisper in the mountain snow, a whisper that would grow into a resounding echo in their hearts, guiding them forever. Each step they took was a step towards uncovering their true selves, and the bonds they forged would be unbreakable, lasting a lifetime.